to make decision based on either this or that condition is called as if and else statement. Okay, so what is the syntax of this if and else statement? The syntax is if, okay, whatever the condition you will write here, then open bracket, statement, close bracket, else, open, statement and close. Okay, just to wait here the syntax. यहाँ पर आपका syntax नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? Condition. Okay, means whatever the condition we want to pass, that is in this bracket if. Okay, so if else structure in PHP, the if else statement allows the programmer to make decision based on either this or that condition. That is called as if else statement in PHP. What is the syntax? If, condition, open bracket, statement, close curly bracket, else, again open curly bracket, statement and close your curly bracket. This is the syntax for if and else statement in PHP. Whenever we want to write the condition for this condition or that condition, we need to use if and else statement. Okay, so we need to follow the syntax of if and else. We have to use the if keyword, pass your condition, then write the statement if the condition becomes true, and if the condition becomes false, then that statement we have to write in else block. So this is a if block and this is a else block, if and else condition. Okay, so let's see the example. Example is based on your if and else statement. Okay, so here is one example. Okay, this is the example for if else condition. So here the PHP syntax, $marks is a variable, marks your variable, and the value is assigned 80 to that variable. If that marks is greater than 60, then what text should be displayed on screen? You passed with first class. Else, echo, you can do better. Okay, means you can see here the marks value is 80, and if this value is greater than 60, yes, the condition is true. That means this condition is going to execute. If this condition become false, then it will be jump to else statement, and the else statement is echo, you can do better, means you can do better display on your screen. Okay, so let's see the output, how this program is going to execute. This program is saved with name if ex.php. Okay, now before starting any XAMPP program, any PHP program, you need to open the XAMPP control panel. Okay, just open it and click on start here, what I'm showing here. Okay, and open the browser. After opening the browser, you need to type http:// localhost/xyz is your folder name, and the file name is ifex.php. Just press enter. You got output as you passed with first class, means this condition is executed. You passed with first class. You can see here the marks is 80. Of course, the 80 is greater than 60, so this condition is displayed. So that is called as a if and else statement in PHP. Okay, the output is, you can see on screen, you passed with first class. Okay, now we'll move to next. Okay, next we will see what in by PHP string function. Okay, PHP string function. So let's start with this topic, PHP string function. Okay, Means PHP have some predefined function are going to use for manipulation of string. Okay, the PHP string function means before starting the PHP string function, what do you mean by string? The string is a series of character. Okay, it is a series of character, and the real power of PHP comes from its function. Means whenever you are going to use the function, you can execute the program easily. A functions is a block of statement that can be used repeatedly in the program. Okay, the PHP has many built-in functions that can be called directly to perform specific tasks. So let's see what is this function. Okay, the predefined functions for string manipulation are, the first is, you can see here, str. There are two blocks here. There are two columns, functions and description. The first is strlen. Str means it is going to use for string, and len means length. Means strlen, the function name, you can call directly to do perform the specific task. Means whenever you want to find the length of a string, you can use this function strlen. So what is the description of this? Returns the length of a string. That is the total number of characters. Okay. Next function is str_word_count. What is the meaning of this? It will be count the number of words in a string. Okay. It is number of character, and this is for number of words in a string. Okay. Next is strrev, means it reverses a string. Okay, strrev means if you want to reverse a string, you can directly call this function strrev, and that description is reverse the string. Okay, next is strpos. It searches for the specific text within the string and returns the character position of first match, and if no match is found, then it will be written false. That is called as strpos. Next is str_replace. So it replaces some character with some other string, some other characters in a string. Means if you want to replace some character with other, you can use str_replace. Next is substr. Substr means returns past of a string. Means if you want to return the part of a string, use the substr. Next is str_lower. Str_lower means convert a string to lowercase. Means if you want to convert the given string into lowercase, then you can use directly this function str_lower. Similarly, str_upper is not given here, but it is there. Str_upper means if you want to convert the string into uppercase. Okay. Next is substr_count. It counts the number of times a substring occurs in a string. Means if you want to count the substring, means how many times the substring comes. So if you want to count that number of times substring occurs in a string, you can make use of this function substr_count. Next is UC words. UC words means what? Convert the first character of each word in a string to uppercase. Okay, that is called as a UC words. And last is trim. Trim means similarly here the remove the white space from both sides of a string. That is called as a trim. Okay, so it removes the white space and other predefined character from both sides of a string is called as a trim. So these are all your predefined function for string manipulation. Okay, the functions are strlen, str_word_count, strrev, strpos, str_replace, substr, str_lowercase, str_lower, substr_count, UC words, and trim. These are all your functions, okay, which we are going to use for string manipulation. Okay, the string means what? It is a series of characters. Okay, and the PHP has many built-in functions that can be called directly to perform the specific tasks. So you can make use of this function, okay, to reverse a string, to count the number of characters, to count the number of words, okay, return the part of a string, return the string into lowercase, return the string into uppercase, okay, return the number of times substring occurs. So these things can be do by the functions. Okay, that is all about your predefined function for string manipulation. Now let's see the example how this works. Okay, so I will show you one example here. The example is based on your string. Okay, now here the example is for string manipulation. Okay, this example contains one string. That string means the variable is defined $str. The variable name is str, and this str contain the text as this is PHP programming. I have assigned one line, or you can say word. This is PHP programming. This line I have assigned to the str variable. Okay. Now echo br. Echo means for what? You can echo use for the displaying. Okay. For displaying the output, we are going to use the echo word. And echo br means just it is not display anything. It is just break the line and to next character are going to display next line. So that is called as a br. Again, next echo, the string length. It is just going to display as it is string length, and the string length dot, okay, double quotes here. Remember the double quotes, br, string length, double quotes complete, and here the dot. Okay, strlen, the function. Okay, strlen, directly I have used the function, string function. Okay, why this function is used? strlen, the strlen means returns the length of a string, that is total number of character in a string. So strlen in bracket $str mean this string. Okay, this variable, find out the number of character, okay, in a string. So I have passed one string here through str variable, and that str variable I have used here, and I have used the function strlen to find out the string length. Okay, again same line echo br means next line mein jayega ye, theek hai. Echo br, the string word count. The string word count means counts the number of word in a string. Okay, so dot str underscore word underscore count, the function in bracket $str means again I have used this string variable that I have used here, $str, that is the string variable, and this string is assigned to that variable. So I have to find out how many words are there, count the number of words in a string. Okay, next line again, for reverse the string, str rev in bracket $str to reverse the string. Okay, str rev means what? It reverses string. Okay, next I have used the function that is str underscore replace. So str underscore replace means what? Replace some character with some other character in a string, that is called as a str underscore replace. So how to use this? In bracket, the word I want to replace is PHP. The PHP word is here. You can see here. This is PHP programming, and the word I want to replace is PHP. Okay, so in double quotes, PHP, double quotes complete, comma. Which word I want to replace? The word is Java. So double quotes again Java, and comma, which variable, okay, or which string variable you want to do this task. The variable is str. Okay, so let's execute this program. First, I'm going to save this file. This file is saved by extension str.php, strex.php, and the file is saved in same folder, that is C drive. Okay, then XAMPP, then htdocs, and make one folder that is xyz. In that xyz, the file name is strex. Okay, already the service has been started. Okay, so no need to start it again. Again, we are going to use the browser and just change the name of file. Put http /localhost / then xyz, okay, and strex.php, the name of the file, and just press enter. Wait a minute. Okay, so we will type here http, okay, localhost, then xyz, the folder name / the file name strex.php, and press enter. So this is the output. The string length is 23. String word count is 4. Reverse string, you can see here, this is PHP programming is reverse here. Then replace string, this is PHP programming, the PHP is replaced with Java. You can see here Java word. So this is the way to use all the built-in function string function in a program, and the way I have used, you can see on screen how to use that. Okay, it is very simple to use. Just put it the string function here and the use variable which we have used for the string. Okay, so like strlen, str underscore word underscore count, strrev, str underscore replace. Okay, so that is all your functions. You can use many functions which I have shown on your screen. That function you can use in a program, and you can do your programming easily by through this function. Okay, so that is all about your string functions.